So I am at Winter Hotel. Right, it's right across the street from Tiger Hotel. And oh yeah, what kind of room is this?
I think Deluxe or
Deluxe. Okay, and this is a deluxe room. So just wanted to give you a quick tour of this. So here's your TV, your cable box, mirror here. Here's your bed, refrigerator. It's very roomy, you know. It's deluxe room. You got your shower here, your sink, your toilet bowl. It's bigger than the room in Devara, for sure. I'm not sure price wise if it's the same or similar. Here are the rules and regulations. No smoking. And yep, and here's your air conditioner. Right, and that's it. And this was the only room available for them to show me, so I really appreciate it. Thank you very much, sir. And that's it. This is Ariel Penn signing off from Winter Hotel. Adios.